Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you top changes in the Samsung One UI 8 in my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Recently, I downloaded and installed the One UI 8 beta on my Samsung S25 Ultra. So first of all, if you want to download One UI 8 beta on your Samsung S25 series in India, you can use the Samsung member app on your device. So make sure log in with your Samsung account to check for the One UI beta 8 update available or not on your Samsung S25 series. We recently installed it. First of all, we show you the update detail. So go to the software update, tap on download and install. In here you can see the One UI 7, One UI 8, One UI version 8.0, Android version 16, 1 June 2025 security pack level on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's see the top changes in the One UI 8 compared to the One UI 7 version on a Samsung S25 series. So first one is the weather widget. You can see the new interface, unique interface in the weather that automatically change on the atmosphere of your country, of your region. So let's see first of weather widget. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a widgets. Tap on it. Now scroll down, or you can search the weather option at the top. Now tap on the weather option. Now here you can see the widget. Tap on any weather widget. Tap on add. So tap on the widget on your device. Now you can see weather widget interface totally changed. It look like a unique on your device. You can see change compared to the One UI 7 version. It will also automatically change depending on the atmosphere on your region. So very helpful. Also you can see the new option in the weather widget like a font color. So long press your weather widget, tap on a settings. Now here you can see the new font color add on your device. First of all, turn off this option. Now you can see the font color auto, white, black. You want to set on your weather widgets. So this is the new update on a weather. Tap on a save to save it. Now you can see the black color on weather widget. Next one is the wallpaper colors. Dynamic wallpaper color available. To check it, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Now tap on a change wallpapers. Here you can see your different wallpapers. So tap on the colors. Here you can find the dynamic option in the wallpaper. Tap on it. Now select any home screen lock screen. Tap on next. And at the bottom you can find new style option. Tap on it. Now you can see this new option. This dynamic wallpaper change color over time. So automatically change your color wallpaper color changes automatically. When you change the wallpaper, it will automatically change the wallpaper color. So you can see these new dynamic wallpaper settings in the wallpaper for the home screen on lock screen. Next feature, notification. You can see change the notification interface also by go to settings on your device, scroll down, tap on notifications. Now here you can see the notification pop-up style. You can see how totally change. Here you can see the brief and detail option. In the brief you can find the option at the top page, edge lighting effect. Here you can set the edge lighting effect, edge lighting advanced. You can see remove the edge lighting color option. When you select any basic option, you can see the only color option, otherwise you can't see. In the previous one US 7 you can see effect color and advanced. So here you need to first select the edge lighting effect. Not all effects support all color, so you need to select color and effect. After that you can see the color. You can also see show brief up on mobile screen is off. Also tap on details option, so this menu is changed on your device. Also you can see sort and filter notification. By here you can see all notification, filter notification, background activity, minimize notification. So this is the notification changes in this. Next feature is the mode routine. New routine add in the mode setting on your device. By go to settings, tap on a modes and routines. Here you can find the routine option at the bottom middle. Tap on it. Now tap on a plus icon and you can see the if and then. Just tap on the option and you can find the list of different modes available. Mode active, contacts, wake up time, before bed. You can see the list of new option added, different. So you can select your favorite option to set a routine on your device. So this is the new option added in the routine section. Next feature is the new files menu on your device. So you can see the new interface in the file menu. I open the Samsung folder, tap on my files. You can see the new interface in files menu on your device. In previous you can see the different interface on your device. Next one is the download section. Go to the download. Here you can quickly find the option like we like Samsung Notes. Tap on it and you can find the Samsung Note detail. Tap on a Chrome, so you can find the all Chrome detail you download on your device. So this is the you can quickly find from the top of the search bar on your device. Tap on a wall, so you can see the all details. So very helpful settings. Also you can see the manage storage in this section. Tap on a manage storage at the bottom. Here you can see, scroll down, here you can see the list of different suggestions apply for you like get 5.4 GB of space by deleting old image from the camera folder, get space by deleting old screenshot from the screenshot folder, clear the storage space by deleting downloaded files you haven't used recently, free up 156 MB space by deleting the invisible backup of your picture and video. So it will automatically suggest you the that will helpful to free up space or free up storage on your device. So this is also new changes on the latest One UI 8 beta. Next feature is the now bar. In the now bar, you can see the new DND mode and add on your device. To check it, go to settings on your device. Scroll down until the lock screen and AOD. Now scroll down again. Here you can see the now bar option. Tap on a now bar on your device. Now scroll down. Sorry, go back. Scroll down. At the end, you can see the do not disturb option on your device. In the One UI 7 you can only see the current mode option, so do not disturb mode apply on the now bar on your device. So when you lock your phone and activate it, you can see the do not disturb on the now bar on your device. So this is the new added feature. Next one is the secure folder. In the secure folder you can hide the application also or hide the secure folder from the app drawer on your device. Here you can see we already installed the secure folder, so tap on it on your device. Now open the secure folder. Now tap on the three dots and here you can find the hide apps. So you can hide apps in the secure folder also. So tap on hide apps. Now select the application. We already selected this application hide like a Chrome, Google, Maps, Microsoft 365. Like here we select the internet on my device. Tap on a done. So now hide the internet from this on your device. Secure folder list. So you can also hide secure folder like tap on hide secure folder. Now tap on a hiding secure folder, provide an extra layer of protection. So tap on hide secure folder. Now go to home screen or app drawer. You can't see the secure folder on your device. To access it, you need to search on your search bar like a secure folder. Tap on it on your device. Tap on a secure folder. Tap on a show to show the secure folder on your device. So this is the settings. Next feature is the camera. In the camera you can see the new settings that will very helpful compared to One UI 7 version. So open the camera application on your device. Before in One UI 7, when you tap on the camera or swipe, you can see switch between the camera and selfie mode. To change it, tap on a three dots, tap on a setting gear icon. Now scroll down and you can see the new option called a swipe preview up or down. Here you can see One UI 7 set the switch camera. So here you can select open quick controls in the camera. So now when you swipe in accidentally, you can see open the quick camera setting on your device like this. So this is the very helpful feature in the latest One UI 8. Just go to settings and set the swipe preview to the open quick control. So quickly, if by mistake when you touch on a screen or swipe in the screen, you can access the camera settings, not open, not change the selfie mode. So very helpful feature. This is the next feature is the reminder interface change. Also you can see automatically transcribe in the call recording. So this is the all top changes in the latest Samsung One UI 8 on my Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you have any Samsung S25 series and install the One UI 8 beta, check this setting is available or not. If if I have forgot any important settings in the latest One UI 8 beta, please comment in the below box. So I will update in my next video. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.